Welcome everyone. Last class at we finite difference or kisu topic already discussed korisu, and we also discussed missing values keneke ulwai tomar eta missing value ba duta missing value jetia tomar function etar f aru x or value dia thake. Aji ami already discuss kora kisuman topic asile delta aru e operator and kisuman amar tat questions roi goisile to discuss. Ami he questions kita aji discuss kori. So screen of tomorrow dekhi asa je amar tot aji discuss kora question ke ta already note down korisu. There are 6 questions jibilak ami solve koribole try korim aji class of. The first one is delta square 1 by x. We are dia asa je interval of differentiating x is 1. Okay. The next question is delta tan inverse x. Aru third question hold tomar delta square log of x. And fourth question is your delta to the power n e to the power x. First number question to hold delta square cos of twice x. And my to allow for the a question to you should memorize this by to all of halka practice koriba because this question is a bit tricky and it all of time consuming hobo or logote a question to important to her from the perspective of exam. Okay, and last question is delta square. So let's start with your first question, that is delta square 1 by x or x equal to 1 ds, right? So delta square ulabo dise, that means ami ki koribo lagibo je prothomote ami ki korim duta step ot kam korim. Prothom ami delta ulai lom, right? Only delta. Thik ase. So delta ulabo loga hole yate ki ase je it is given that x is equal to 1. So amar delta fx, again same equation ami ako repeat korim, which is f of x plus h minus f of x. So f of x plus h minus f of x hole tomar ki hobo je yate h equal to 1 dia ase. So that aru amar yate fx ki hoise, fx is 1 by x. Okay, so fx jodi 1 by x hoy tetia hole x plus h ot ki hobo, h equal to 1 hole 1 by x plus 1 hobo aru fx will remain the same. Eti ami next step ot ki korim je delta to duita logot multiply korisu je, that is delta 1 by x plus 1 aru delta 1 by x. Etu ta term ami split kori disu, that means delta to duita logot multiply korisu. Now etia ki hoi gol je now this 1 by x plus s 1 by x plus 1 tomar fx hoi gol, right? 1 by x plus 1 fx hoi joar logot ami ki korim je tak eta separate term hisabe aru etu eta separate term hisabe treat korim. So this 1 by x plus x jodi fx or tar logot 1 end hobo, 1 is nothing but h, that means this is f of x plus h aru etu fx. Similarly 1 by x yate fx or that's it, that's why etu ki hol f of x plus h, etu hol fx. Thik ase. So duita tumi enake common gute khini simplify kora bisot tomar negative terms positive signs change kora bisot we get this line. So a line of bisot ami ki hoiso LCM loiso, LCM lo now these two terms, this is minus 1 by x plus 1 or minus 1 by x plus 1, ei duta same similar term, that's why I mean minus 2 times of 1 x plus 1 likhiso. In the next step ami here LCM loisu. So LCM jehetu eta common point ekku nai, so it will be the multiplication of x plus 1 or x plus 2 tinuta multiply korisu and ji keta term tomar tolot nai hey term keta uporot multiply kori we get something like this. Aru ei gutei term keta jodi tumi etia multiply kori dia le x into x plus 1 x square plus x pam minus ki hobo tomar twice x aru x multiply hoy minus twice x square hobo aru 2 aru twice x multiply hoy minus 4x hobo. Similarly this a gute term to jodi tumi simplify kora, this will give you x square plus 3 times of x plus 2. Okay, so and tolot thakile x into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 into. So yate etia tumi dekhiba je most of the terms cancel out hoi goise, tomar x square a x square aru tar logote a to x square a duita x square log hoy plus twice x hoise aru here logot a minus twice x to cancel out hoise, right? Similarly this 3 times of x aru x a duta plus hoy tomar 4 times of x hobo and a duta last ot goi a minus 4 times of x or logot cancel out hoise. ঠিক আছে and last of the only term to cancel out no hoy gise that is 2 right sekane ami palu je 2 times of upor 2 palu numerator and denominator x into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 paisu so this is the required solution ঠিক আছে now the next question was tomar 2 number question ot ki ulaisile je we need to find out delta tan inverse of x second question to delta tan inverse of x asile so delta tan inverse of x ulabo loga hole you need to know the formula of tan inverse of x right so tan inverse of x or tan inverse of y ei dutar jodi say you want to find out tan inverse right x minus tan inverse of y that is given by tan inverse x minus y 1 plus x plus y so a formula to a calculation of use okay so it tan inverse x ulabo loga hole amar yate ki hoy jay fx is equal to tan inverse of x aru yate ki hoise je specify kori dia nai that's why h interval of differencing h ei thakibo right so ita ami f of x jodi formula use koru then we will get f of x plus h minus f of x so ami ei2 palu so yat jodi x plus h ok ami a boli dhorilo and x ok b boli dhorilo then by formula say tan inverse a minus tan inverse b will give you tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus a b etu hol formula tan inverse of sum so a formula to jodi ami eta use koru he use kora mote di ami ki pam je amar a mane ki asile x plus h so x plus h a minus b that means x is b 1 plus a into b right so eta uporot saba je x ax2 ax aru ax minus x cancel out hoy gol to upor thakile only h and tolot tumi etia 1 plus x into x plus h thakile right ite a term to tumi jodi a term to jodi tumi multiply kori dia you will get x square plus hx so ami gutei khini hojai likhile we will get the value tan inverse h by 1 plus hx plus x square okay so this is the solution for your second question that means tan delta tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse h by 1 plus hx plus x era jodi question to tomar enukwa dia thake je find out delta tan inverse x and h is equal to 1 boli jodi specify kori dia then value to ki hoy jabo we will get then tan inverse h or type 1 hobo 1 plus h or type 1 x plus x square so this will be the outcome in case tomar h or value 1 boli specify kori dia thake question okay so the third question was we need to find out the delta square log of x ki hoy okay so delta square log of x ulwar agote ami ki korbo delta log of x urabo lagibo right so this is the value of delta log of x okay delta log of x means ki hoise je amar fx is equal to log of x hoise okay fx log of x hoijor logot aru yata ki ase interval differencing h boli specify kori dise tar kono specific value dia nai so h use korim that's why amar ki hoy jare f of x plus h means f of x plus h se ki dibo log of x plus h minus fx means log of x eta log of yat ami ki korilu etu duta approach a step pora dui dhorone jabo pare solution to dui dhorone tomaloke approach koribo pora eta to direct enake delta to duita te spread kori dila je delta to duita log of x plus h aru log of x log multiply kori dila and korila otherwise tomaloke enakeo jabo pora je delta to bahirot rakhi etu hol je log of a minus log of b can be written as log of a by b So log of a by b যদি লিখিব পাৰি, that means এইটোকো আমি কি কৰিব পাৰিম, delta log of x plus h by x বুলি লিখিব পাৰা তুমি, right? So সেই approach টোৰ পিছতো তুমি একেখিনি ভ্যালু একে approach কৰি ফাইনালি আউটকামটো তুমি একেটাই পাবা। So ইয়াতে আমি কি কৰিলো, ডেল্টা দুইটাতে স্প্ৰেড কৰি দিলো। ডেল্টা স্প্ৰেড কৰি দিয়াৰ পিছত we will get যে ইয়াটো now this is a function and this is a function. Now log of delta log of x already value আমি উলাইছো যে this is delta log of x। ইয়াতে f of x কি হৈ যাব যে in this case this is your f of x, right? f of x is log of x plus h. So log of x plus h যদি f of x হয় তাৰ লগত h add হ'ব and একো add নোহোৱাকে টাৰ্ম থাকিব। So আমি কি পালো log of x plus h plus h. So দুটা h আছে, that's why twice h log of x plus h. এটা log of x plus h ইয়াটো এটা টাৰ্ম আছে, ইয়াটো এটা টাৰ্ম আছে। So এই দুইটা টাৰ্ম add up হয় because ইয়াৰ আগতো মাইনাস চিন আছে, ইয়াৰ আগতো মাইনাস চিন আছে, দুইটা মাইনাস চিন লগ হয় minus twice times of log of x plus h হ'ব। এটা a minus sign আৰু a minus sign দুইটা add up হয় তোমাৰ কি হ'ব plus sign হৈ যাব। so থাকিলে log of x। এতিয়া in this step আমি জানো যে log of x to the power n থাকিলে it can be written as n log of x. That means the reverse to hosa, that means n times of log of x can be written as log of x to the power n. So here eketa kotha je 2 to agot multiply hoise agot nilikhi ami n ekeu likhibo x plus h square likhibo, right? Square likhar pisot etia ki hoise je ei question to je suppose this is a, this is b, this is c suppose, right? So tetia ami ki pai asu je log of a minus log of b plus log of c by asu, right? So tinta jodi ami term asu then we can ki hoy plus thakile plus is replaced by multiplication and minus thakile it is replaced by division in case of log. So that means this is nothing but log of a plus log of c minus log of b, right? So log of a plus log of c ki likhibo paru log of a into c likhibo paru minus log of b. Eta minus hoy gole ki hobe, that will be log of a into c, right? a into c divided by b. So heke kini concept ami yat lagaisu that this is your c, this is your a, this is your b, okay? So that's your solution for delta square log of x, the delta square log of x. It is to same question ketiaba hoyto tumak h equal to 1 boli specify kore dibo pare, right? So tetia ki hobo, it will be log of x into x plus 2, right? So x plus 1 whole square, and you can simplify it, yak simplify koribo para, so it will give you log x square plus twice x, and yat ki baba x square plus twice x plus 1, ঠিক আছে? So that's the value of your delta square log of x. The next question, that means 6 number question that amak ki hodise je delta to the power n e to the power x ki hoy. Yate etia mon koriba je this question is not direct. A question to answer tumi directly koribo nwara kyo, because delta to the power n dia ase. Now n is a very generic term or n or specific value tumak dia nai. n means ki hoy je dia nai je ebar koribo lage na dubar koribo lage na tinbar koribo lage. n means you have to keep on repeating it. So ami etia unspecified value eta ketia ulabo noru, but tumar ki hoise je yat e to the power x or khetrot amar eta objective hol je jehetu nth difference ulabo dise, right? nth difference ulabo laga hole tumi hodai jabo lagibo to find a pattern. যে any question or tumi jetia tumar question paper ahibo je delta to the power n ulabo lage, suppose delta to the power n of any fx ulabo lage, tumi hodai saba je to find out a pattern. Pattern to ki hoy, what is the pattern? Je delta fx ulale kiba ta paisa and then delta square fx ulala tumi eta paisa. So yotor majot pattern compare korila. Then tumi delta cube fx ulateo aku suppose tumi eta pattern paisa and dekhila je ei pattern to exhibit kori ase, right? So tetia tumi je suppose enu kaise yat tumi x paisila, yat x square paisa, x cube, right? So that means there is a pattern, right? He multiply hoi goi ase. So he pattern to tumi yat identify koribo lage. So yat amar e to the power x is the fx, right? Amar yat fx is equal to e to the power x. So fx jodi e to the power x hoy, that means ki hobo f of x plus h minus f of x. The yate ki hoise e to the power x duitate ase, right? Now I guess tumaloke already jana je e to the power a plus b can be written as e to the power a into e to the power b, right? So hey mote jodi likhibo pare, that means ami yate e to the power x common lobo paro, and e to the power x common lole majot ki thakil a to term pora, a term tur pora e to the power h to common thakile a termot e to the power h x ot bahire bale ku term na, that's why 1 ahile yar par, right? So that's what we got, e to the power x e to the power h minus 1. Etia ami square or karone ulab je delta square e to the power x ki hobo. So etia ami ki korisile delta aru delta e to the power x. Etia delta e to the power x or value ei matro ami already palue eitu je e to the power x e to the power h minus 1. Etia mon koriba je e to the power h minus 1 jehetu ami yat variable hoday amar finite difference ot etai thake, right? X bula eta variable thakibo pare, y bula variable thake, g na thake, but most commonly ami x ei consider kori asu etia leke. So any term je x include nai he term tut, that is a constant. X tumar tar logot otoproto hobe tumar jodi jorito hoi na thake tetia hole he term tuk ami ki ko constant boli ko. Ita tumi ei term tut swa a gutei term tut there is no term of x thaka etao term nai, that means amar e to the power h minus 1, sorry it is e to the power minus 1 is a constant. So ami already pori aisu je delta cx hole c delta x hoy, right? Mane constant to bahirole gusi jay. So he eketa concept ami yato use koribo bolu je ami constant to bahirole loi gusi ahil e to the power h minus 1 delta e to the power x thakile. Now again delta e to the power x ami already ulaisu, which is e to the power x e to the power h minus 1. ঠিক আছে? So এইটো টার্ম আৰু এইটো টার্ম একে হৈ গল. So একে ধৰণৰ দুটা টার্ম আছে আৰু মাল্টিপ্লাই হৈ আছে, right? So multiply হৈ থাকিলে আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো, we can write it as square. Okay? So আমি কি পালো, e to the power x e to the power h minus 1 whole square. So aru eitu hol delta square korute, aru delta korute ki paisile je e to the power x e to the power h minus 1. So tumi swa delta to the power 1 thakute e to the power h minus 1 ot 1 power ase, delta square thakute yate square hoise, aru ei term to same e hoy ase, changes ki hoise ei term to the hoy ase. That means ami he pattern eta bisari palu ami, right? So yate ami eta pattern palu je যেটো constant term to power increase হৈ গৈ থাকে. এটা তুমি verify কৰিব পাৰা. I suggest you please verify যে delta cube e to the power x তোমালোকে e to the power h minus 1 whole cube e to the power x 1 and নোপোৱা, please verify. Okay, verify কৰিবা তোমালোকে. Verify this, okay? So ita jodi square hole, so jodi square hole 2 hoi jay power 2, titia n hole ki hoi jabo power 2 n hoi jabo. So this is your answer for this question, delta to the power n, that means nth difference of e to the power x is e to the power x same thakibo, the constant term which involves your interval of differencing and e will be raised to the power n. Okay, next question is your delta square cos twice x. A question 2 is very important. This question is important. Why? Because yate trigonometry bhal formula kisuman apply hoye ase. So the formula that we are going to use here, the very first property is sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine of theta. Ito amar prothom property jito ami use korim. Next property use korim sine A minus sine B boli. Okay, which is equal to 2 times of cos of A plus B divided by 2 and sine of B minus A divided by 2. Okay, and the third formula that we will use is cos of A minus cos of B, which is equal to here, this is the formula. So, cos of A minus cos of B is 2 times of sine A plus B sine B minus A. Okay, so my ekaloge likhi disu. It is 2 times of sine of A plus B by 2 and sine of B minus A by 2. Okay, so that is your those are the formula. These are the formulas. Those will be used in this problem. So prothom ami delta square ulwar agote delta ulai lom, right? So prothom ulaiso ami delta cos of x. Delta cos of x means amar yate ki hoi jay fx is equal to cos of twice x. Thik ase? Aru yate ki hoise jay interval is h. Interval is h. So cos of delta cos of twice x ki hobo f of x or thait x plus h hoise aru etu same thakib, right? So etia jodi tumi ki kora je ei term tu ei gutei term tu tumi a boli dhora aru ei gutei term tu tumi b boli dhora, right? That means we got cos a minus cos b. Thik ase? Cos a minus cos b jodi paisa, which is nothing but 2 times of sine of etu ki hoi gol a, etu hoi gol b, right? A plus b by 2 and etu hoi gol tumar b, etu hoi gol tumar a, b minus a by 2. Formula etu asila. So next step ot ki korim ami ei 2 to yar logot multiply korisu, ei term to tumar 2 multiply korisu, so we get 2 times of x and 2 times of h. Plus twice x already ase by 2. Yate ki korise twice x ase aru etu multiply korile ei term to jodi multiply koridu we get minus twice x, right? So minus twice x cancel out hol aru yate ki hoi jay a2 aru a2 term tumi add koribo para. So you will get 4 times of x. Eta 2 tar pora yatu 2 ase, yatu 2 ase, yatu 2 ase, gute kita 2 ase, so 2 ami common loi luisu. And after that ami ki palu je twice x plus h by 2 aru sin s yate ki hol x keita cancel out hoi gol and thakile minus twice h. Okay, so a2 and this 2 cancel out hoi gol and ami palu ki 2 times of sin twice x plus h sin minus h. Eta ami prothom property to e ki koisilu je sin minus theta is equal to minus sin of theta. So he mote di a minus sign dal ami ki koribo paro bahirot likhi anibo. So that's why minus 2 times of sin h. Eta mon koriba je yate minus 2 times of sin h a gutei term to tomar kotu x9. Yes, so this is independent of x, and that's why it is a constant. Independent of x and a constant. It a2 kihor value is your delta, but ama gulabo disile delta square. So he karone ami ki korim, again ami delta korim, right, differentiate korim. So a delta cos of twice x of value ami ki paisu a2 paisu, right. So he value to ami at replace kori the minus twice sin h sin of twice x plus h, right. এইটো কৰাৰ পিছত এতিয়া এই টাৰ্মটো আমি অলৰেডি মই কলো যে এই টাৰ্মটো x নাথাকাৰ কাৰণে হি কনস্ট্যান্ট, সেই কাৰণে হিয়াক আমি বাহিৰত লৈ আহিম। ভিতৰত কি থাকিলে ডেল্টা sin twice x, ঠিক আছে। সো দ্যাট মিন্স আমাৰ এইটো সিনাৰিওত কি হৈ গল যে ইন দিস সিনাৰিও আমাৰ fx is equal to sin twice x plus h, ঠিক আছে। So fx etia sin twice x plus h, hey karne etia mon koriba je f of x plus h hole x or value to change hoy x plus h hoy. So yate x code ase a2 ase, so that's why ami yate ki lechu a x plus h hote x to thai ami x plus h likhisu, and yate etu same thakile. तो আমি চেঞ্জ কৰিলো, চেঞ্জ কৰি উঠি এতিয়া আমি ইয়াক সিম্পলিফাই কৰিম যে এটো ইয়াৰ লগত মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা 2 2 ইয়াৰ লগত মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা এন্ড অল, এন্ড হে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা আগতে লেট আস সে যে এই টার্মটো লেটস দিস ইজ a এন্ড দিস ইজ b, রাইট। এইটো a আৰু এইটো b বুলি ধৰি ললে আমি কি পাম sin a minus sin b, sin a minus sin b ফর্মুলা আহি গল। The sin a minus sin b formula to ki hoy je sin, this is your formula, sin a minus sin b is 2 times of cos a plus b into sin b minus a. So here formula to ami etia apply korim yate, okay. So this will give 2 times of cos of a2 hoy gol tumar, this term is a, this term is b, so a plus b whole, this term is your b, this term is your a, so b minus a ho gol, okay. So b minus a hoar pisot ki korim etia ami a gutei khini simplify korlo, a gutei khini multiply kori to jumi simplify kora prottekor pora. The first term will give you this, second term of tumar cancel out hobo, a twice x to a2 twice x lot cancel out hobo, then a h2 lot cancel out hobo, thakibo okol a h2 and tar logot tumar simplify korile tumi ki paba je you will get minus twice h, okay. So minus twice is power pisot ki hobo 2 cancel out hoy gol, a2 yar logot cancel out hoy gol, aru a khinit a2 cancel out hoy gol, etu cancel out kora pisot duta x ase duta h ase, so 2 eta common loi lobo para 2 times of x plus h, aru a2 thakile minus sin minus h, right. So this is the value, the sin minus h minus sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta use kori a minus sign to bahirot ahi. So yat eta minus ase aru yar eta minus add hoy 4 hoy gol, and this is 4, this 4 comes kopra je a2 eta 2 ase a2 a 2 duta multiply hoy 4 paisu, so 4 times of thik tenore a2 sin h hoy jabo, sin h already eta ase, so sin square h hoy gol and a2 term, right. So your final answer is 4 times of sin square h cos 2 times of x plus h. So itu car value, this is the value of, so delta square cos of twice x is equal to 4 times of sin square h cos of 2 times of x plus h, right? Ida a question to jodi dia thakil hoy h equal to 1, then value hol hoy 4 times of sin square 1 cos of 2x plus 1. ঠিক আছে, that will be the value. So the last question is your delta square 1 by s, and it is given that h is equal to 1. A question to dia says that h equal to 1, and I will get delta square, that is second difference of 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6. ঠিক আছে, so আমি এতিয়া ইয়াত কি কৰিম, এইটো কোৱেশ্চনটো ডাইৰেক্টলি কৰিব গলে it will be a bit tricky, but তাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, ডেল্টা প্ৰথমতে আমি suppose say here fx কি হয়, fx is equal to 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6 আছে, right? so এই ফাংশনটো আমি অলপ সিম্পলিফাই কৰিলো. So this is equal to tumi ki likhibo x square plus twice x plus 3x plus 6. Okay, 2x aru 3x log hoy 5x hobo. So this is equal to 1 by your x common lole x plus 2, ya 3 common lole x plus 2. So you will get 1 by x plus 2 x plus 3. Yes, so ইয়াতে তুমি যদি কৰা যে this is equal to x plus 3 minus x plus 2 by x plus 2 x plus 3. এটা এই গোটেই বস্তুটো এইটো যে লিখিলো এই স্টেপটো তুমি সোৱা যে এইটো যদি সিম্পলিফাই কৰা you will get x plus 3 minus x minus 2, minus minus cancel out hobo, 3 minus 2 is 1. so আমি একেখিনি পাম, right? so এই একেটাই বস্তু আমি কোনো ধৰণৰ বেলেগ বস্তু ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস কৰা নাই, আমি জাস্ট 1 টুক এটো যাতে আমি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্টলি লিখিব পাৰো বা সজাই লিখিব পাৰো সেই কাৰণে এনেকে লিখিছো. so this is equal to nothing but x plus 3 by x plus 2 by x plus 3 minus your x plus 2 x plus 2 into x plus 3. ঠিক আছে, so আমি এইটো পালো, ইয়াত এইটো sorry ইয়াত আমি এইটো আৰু এইটো cancel out কৰিব পাৰো, and then ইয়াত এইটো আৰু এইটো cancel out কৰিব পাৰো. so we will be left with 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 3. এতিয়া আমি this is our fx of value to আমি এইটো লৈকে ৰিডিউস কৰি দিলো. এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিম যে আমি delta fx উলাম, right? delta fx is delta 1 by x plus 2 minus delta 1 by x plus 3. so this is equal to delta a2 lole ki koribo lagibo, yate a2 fx hoy gol, yat a2 fx hoy gol, aru amak dia ase je h is equal to 1 dia ase, right? so yat ki pam 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2. ঠিক আছে, minus yat ki pam x plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 3. so this is equal to 1 by x plus 3 pala minus 1 by x plus 2 pala minus 1 by x plus 4 pala, and minus a minus a plus 1 by x plus 3. so ami x plus 3 দুটা পালো, so we will write 2 times of x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 4. ঠিক আছে, so that is delta fx. এটা আমাক কোৱেশ্চনটো উলাব দিছিলে delta square fx, right? So আমি কি কৰিম delta of this term, right? 2 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 2 and minus 1 by x plus 4 ঠিক আছে which is equal to এতিয়া delta to 2 to বাহিৰত আহি delta 1 by x plus 3 হৈ গল minus delta 1 by x plus 2 হৈ গল and minus delta 1 by x plus 4 হৈ গল ঠিক আছে so that's 2 times of etut ki baba 1 by x plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 3 minus etut ki baba 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2 okay minus we will get 1 by x plus 1 plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 so this on simplification to 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 3 minus your 1 by x plus 3 minus a minus a plus 1 by x plus 2 okay and this is minus 1 by x plus 5 minus minus plus 1 by x plus 4 so 2 by x plus 4 minus 2 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 5 plus 1 by x plus 4 yes sir so x plus 4 thakar terms a2 eta right x plus 3 thakar term a2 eta and these two are independent ei duta ebar ase so ami ki likhibo paru je this is equal to 1 by x plus 2 palu and x plus 3 thokar terms a term to or x plus 3 thokar term to tumi duitare agot minus ase so we can take this as common and we will get minus 2 or 1 3 times of x plus 3 then x plus 4 a2 plus ase so we will get plus 3 times of x plus 4 minus a2 minus 1 by x plus 5 so that is the value of delta square 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6 so আজি যেকিটা কোৱেশ্চন মই দেখালো কোৱেশ্চন কেইটা দেখুৱাৰ উদ্দেশ্যটো এইটোৱে আছিল যে আমি সো ফাৰ যি আগত ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো গোটে কেইটা স্ট্ৰেইট ফৰৱাৰ্ড আছিল তোমাৰ সলিউশন কেইটা বাট আজি যেকিটা কোৱেশ্চন আমি ডিসকাস কৰিলো তাত দেখিবা যে এই কোৱেশ্চন কেইটাৰ ভিতৰত তোমাৰ প্ৰত্যেকৰে এটা বেলেগ ৱে অফ ডুইং আছে যেনেকৈ তুমি ধৰিলা এই কোৱেশ্চনটোত cos স্কয়াৰত ইউ নিড সাম ফৰ্মুলাস অফ ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰি ৰাইট আমি সেই ফৰ্মুলা কেইটা এপ্লাই কৰিছো দেন ইয়াতে কি কৰিছো এইটোত আমি কি কৰিছো প্যাটাৰ্ন চাইছো ৰাইট প্যাটাৰ্ন ইয়াতে প্যাটাৰ্ন চাইছো এইটো একদম স্ট্ৰেইট ফৰৱাৰ্ড কোৱেশ্চন ৰাইট সিমিলাৰলি ইয়াতো আমি কি হৈছে tan ইনভাৰ্স x ৰ ফৰ্মুলা দি ভ্যালু উলাইছো ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিছো যে log of a plus log of b কি হয় সেই ধৰণে চাইছো সেই ফৰ্মুলা বা log of a minus b কি হলে হয় this is and then again এইটো কোৱেশ্চনত কমপ্লিটলি আমি fx to এটা নতুন ফৰ্মুলা ৰিডিউস কৰি তাক সলিউশন উলাইছো right so that's all for today in our next class আমি interpolation discuss কৰিম interpolation use কৰিম কেনেকৈ finite difference ত interpolation use কৰি value calculate কৰা হয় হেতু বিষয় discuss কৰিম that's all for today see you in the next class